Where's it at? Oh yeah, it's straight ahead for me. They're coming. He might tell us something.
So far, now we're like, oh, we're done. With the car.
Hi, everybody. There's a helicopter down on the 110 going southbound. Helicopter's down. A helicopter asked for an emergency landing. I'm looking for it. Oh, right here, They might tell us some shit. It's shaky because I don't have a gimbal on me right now. It's at the 110 going southbound. Huh? Yeah, they seen us. He just pointed us out. ¿Qué pasó? Un helicóptero cayó en el freeway, en el 110. No, we stopped on the shoulder and we got off. You wanna get closer? I mean, Scott's right there. I got you. I'm gonna hop off live real quick. I got you guys.